Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to change the time settings for your vehicle. So it should populate up here as well as in your dash, the correct time. So first you want to start the vehicle, and then we'll just wait a moment for everything to load, at which point you want to make sure the radio is on. So right now it's off. We'll turn it on again, and then we'll push enter to get to your settings. And then you'll scroll until you see clock adjust, and then push enter again. And then in here you can just scroll around to whichever hour you want first. Push again, and then same with your minutes. And then push enter again, and it's set. So that's it, and it populated up here as well as over here. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.